Hello YouTube and welcome back to Allie's Wonderland Creations. I am Alice Seraphin and I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the United States. Welcome to my channel everybody. So I am currently working on my October 2024 Paper Pumpkin alternative videos. And this is alternative video number 26. My goal is to hit 30 and I just know I'm going to be able to do that. So thank you all for joining me. The kit is called Nest of Christmas. It coordinates with the Nest of Winter Sweet. In the catalog, you got to make a total of 10 cards, but only 2 designs. Normal kits that consist of 9 cards and you get 3 designs. On the back, you get this QR code, which will lead you to a video that will show you how to put the cards together as they were designed. Down here, this one will show you how to purchase a set of 3 dies, which I have. There was a tag, the fern, and the Mary. They are called Mary tags and more. They coordinate with October, November, and December's kit. The coordinating colors are listed here, a visual of everything in the kit. Now videos 1 through 5, I show you everything in the kit. After that, we just move on. This is a look at what the stamps were. So you got a speckly stamp, the evergreen branch, the cardinal. Joyful thoughts to you this season, happy holidays, Merry and Christmas are 2 separates. And then the salmon eggs or salmon berries or just berries because they look like salmon eggs to me. So video number 26, yes. So my little note there. So here we go. In the envelope, please, right? So we have a white envelope. We have a card base that is, let's see, 5.5 by 8.5 scored at 4 1/4. Layer number 1 is 4 1/4. Oh, nope, sorry, that's the wrong one. This is 4 1/4 by 5.5. You can see I die cut the center out to use it for something else. That's shaded spruce. Layer number 2 is 4 by 5 1/4. That is 1/3 of the card base from the kit. Layer number 3 is another piece of shaded spruce that is 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. I used a little scrap piece of Sentimental Christmas, which is 3 by 3. That's layer number 4. Layer number 5 is a little strip from a card base. Is 1 by 4. And then we have the sentiment strip from the kit. So let's get on with it. This will not take any time at all. No time at all. So we need this. We need to do some stamping. So we're going to stamp Happy Holidays. Oops, sorry. Happy Holidays. Yes, shaded spruce for mint there. I was like, what color is that? Happy Holidays in the center. Our little evergreen branch. Gonna give it a little bit there just to give it a little something extra, right? And I was thinking, do we add the little bear? Oh, no. No. Okay. No red on this card at all. So that's all for the front. For our envelope, we're still going with, I'm looking for my other stamp. So we do have a Merry and a Christmas, and no, I'm not using those. I'm using from October 2020's Paper Pumpkin. It has this really pretty Merry Christmas right there. Since we already we're going to use this one for the back, right? And then turn it around and stamp it on the front. So we're going to go there, and then here, and then there. So there we have it. That's our envelope. Then for the inside, I'm scared to use my other stamp because I messed it up so bad on the last one. It was so crooked. It was crooked. So let's try this one. Oh no, I can't do the huffing because I didn't. So we're going to stamp off twice in the center. There we go. So that's all done. Let's put the card together. Cards do not have to be like super terribly difficult to put together. You don't have to make them, you know, super detailed out. They can be very simple designs. So we're going to glue this piece down, which now that I think about it, I could have done this. Glued layer number 1 down. I don't always, you know. You guys wondering why I don't use the actual Tombow bottle? Let me tell you, because sometimes it goops out because so much comes out of it. I do prefer wet glue, but it can get really seepy when you put it on the project. So there we go. Layer number 2 is 1/3 of a card base cut down to 4 by 5 1/4, just standard basic layers. You could have chose a red instead of the green, but I kept this really monochromatic. That's why we didn't do any red. I was just going with the greens here. And this is Sentimental Christmas DSP, which is going to look so lovely. And we're just not putting anything else on it. We're just going to showcase this little square of DSP, those little trees. Letting it do all the talking for us. I can hear Hank in the house running around. So there we go. Isn't that beautiful together? It is. I know it is. Yes. I do think it's beautiful. So this little piece is going straight in here. Now this little piece, if you don't have a scrap of card base, use a piece of shaded spruce. It's just this was a little scrap laying around. This piece is going straight here. And guys, this is how simple this card is. That's all there is to it. I'm not doing anything crazy. Now, if I did have that green Wink Stella, which I will have soon, as soon as my husband wakes up, as soon as he wakes up and that Amazon package can get here, I'm going to do just the lighter trees. Oh, we could do some snowflakes. So do we want to add these snowflakes? Because, yeah, we're going to add these. So one there. You almost can't see them, and that's what I want. One there. And then we'll add some in the trees, like one there. One here. Let's see. One, two. I can use as many as I want, right? 7, 8, 9. I think that's going to do it, except this one now, it seems like I have to hold it up to look at it. This one has 2, and it's bugging me that this one has 2 and this one doesn't have 2. So, need to fix that for some reason. I don't know why. That, like, looking at it, it's like, okay, that one needs 2. And this one then has to get moved, if it will move. It may not. There. And then I think I need one more there. One there, and then that one will have to have one. Oh, and look, there's one miraculously. There's one right here that is saying my turn. Yep, right there. And then let me take a look. Okay, I'm happy with it now. I'm happy with it. So we just used little snowflakes on there. So I hope you guys like this one. I hope you like all 3 of these, as they're all airing on the same day. So thank you all so very much for allowing me into your homes and allowing me to share my card making with you. And if you enjoy my videos and you have a moment and are able to leave a comment, would you kindly let me know, because I would surely appreciate it. Thank you all for joining me, and please come back and visit me in my wonderland. Bye-bye for now, everybody.